I will explain chapter number 3, Keeping Quiet. Stanza first. The poet urges each one of us to count up to 12 and then be quiet. The poet might have used the phrase count to 12 as there are 12 hours represented on a clock, or as there are 12 months in a year. He might have wanted the people to keep still as long as they could. He wants a moment of silence on the earth when no language is spoken. In this way, there will be no language barrier between people. No harsh word will be spoken in this moment of silence. The poet doesn't want anyone to move their arm. He wants us to remain motionless. Stanza second tell us the poet feels that such a moment of silence would be an unusual and exciting one. It will have miraculous consequences. There will be no hurry or the sound of machines to pollute the atmosphere. It will be a strange and unfamiliar moment with stillness all around in this unusual period. The bond of humanity will get stronger. Now stanza third tells us in this moment of inactivity the fisherman would not be catching fish, hence the whales in the sea will be safe. This idea is suggestive of the thought that human beings would not destroy nature. The man who gathers salt will be able to tend to his bounded hand for which he had no time earlier. Thus both nature and human will be able to recover from their bounds. Stanza 4 tell us that the poet now speaks of those who wage wars against humanity or environment. War of all kind include the use of chemical or poisonous gases, wars that bring death and destruction, wars that leave none to celebrate victory. He says that such men should stop their activity, shed their clothes, stand with the blood of humanity, put on new clothes and walk with their brothers. Building brotherhood, the poet implies that the war-torn world should be replaced by one with an atmosphere of peace, brotherhood and harmony. Now stanza 5. Stanza 5 tells us that the poet makes a clarification that thought he is advocating the need for silence. His advice should not be confused with total inactivity. He does not want any association with death. He says that life is meant to be lived. Stanza 6. The poet further advises that people should stop being self-centered and selfish for one moment. They should not think of keeping their lives moving, meeting their end, or fulfilling their duties. The huge silence which will arise from such a moment will only serve to help the people. It will help them introspect and overcome their sadness of failing to understand themselves. People have been threatening themselves with death by their activities. The moment of silence will give them time to understand themselves better. Now stanza 7, which is last of this poem. The poet feels that the earth can attain us and guide us in this process of keeping quiet. He wants us to observe that there is some activity under apparent stillness. For instance, a seed appears to be death, but huge fruit-bearing trees are born from such seed lying dead here and there. Finally, the poet thinks that he has said that what he intended do. Now he wanted us to keep quiet while he is counting to 12, after which he will leave. Finally, this chapter is finished. Thank you.